The most common types of bankruptcies are Chapters 7 and Chapter 13. They are very distinct from each other. Chapter 7 is a relatively short proceeding, usually lasting less than 4 months. The main requirement in Chapter 7 bankruptcy is that you have to be willing to give up some of your possessions if you own more than what you are allowed to keep. You cannot remain wealthy and have a lot of valuable possessions if you seek a discharge of your debts. However, the allowance of possessions you're allowed to keep, called exemptions or exempt property, means that you're going to be able to keep a pretty good amount of your possessions. Most people do not lose their possessions in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy proceeding, but I can't tell you that in any particular case that would work for you. You would need to consult with us to determine if you might lose some of your possessions in a Chapter 7 case. Whether or not you lose possessions in the Chapter 7 bankruptcy is only one of the many considerations and requirements that have to be looked at before you can be said to be eligible to file one of those cases. But essentially, for most of our clients, a Chapter 7 bankruptcy means that there's an examination of their possessions to see if they own more than they're allowed to keep. If they own too much stuff, they may lose some of those possessions to go to pay creditors. If they don't own too much possessions, they will keep what they have but receive a discharge of their debts.